Hi, how's it going? I decided to pick up this lock earlier tonight, and I'm going to try and actually pick it straight out of the package here. Excuse me. This is the Master Magnum lock, #1 choice of professionals, rated a number 7 on their security scale. Let me show you the key. You can get a look at the bitting from the back of the package here, if it'll focus a little bit here. There we go. And again, I'm just going to try and get this straight out of the package. You'll have to forgive the camera work and quality. I'm just doing this on my phone in a very awkward setup in my living room, watching the Blackhawks game. So I'm going to go with a pry bar here, top of the keyway, and I'm going to try using my Peterson 15 thousandths, and we'll just get it started. And again, I apologize for the camera work, very awkward setup, and I am also having a hard time actually seeing what I'm doing, be it through the camera or even just trying to look around the camera. So we're just going to go with this. Again, this is a 7 on their scale. And we already have an open. Holy crap. And there we go. Straight out of the package. No key. The key still in the packaging. Opened, no problem. Master Magnum.